Okay, I'm going to use the night mode in the iPhone 11. A lot of times I found that by not using the flashlight, you can actually take better pictures in the night mode. You see this icon? That's a night mode icon. The yellow one is the flash, so I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to use the night mode. Okay, so I just turn it on. My kitchen with some light on, and this is the kitchen with practically no light on. So now I have the iPhone 11 on night mode. I'm just going to press this button. You can see this yellow icon here is lit up. So actually there's a timer, and it takes about 3 seconds to take that particular photo. Turn the light back on, and you can see this is a photo of my kitchen that I just took. The kitchen was almost completely dark. Let me turn out the light again, and you can see, right? It's almost completely dark. But the photo taken by the iPhone 11 show that it is bright. It's bright enough to see the refrigerator, the telephone, and everything, so forth and so on. So that's what the iPhone 11 can do. Basically, you are taking a picture in a time mode. It can be 1 second, 2 seconds, or 3 seconds. And then, of course, it would be better if you brace your camera against something. So it's sort of like in the old days when you have film cameras and you have the B mode or the T mode. So that is like a long exposure, but that will give you a very acceptable picture. So it's also good for group photos too. Just remember to brace your camera. All right, thanks for watching.